Did you know a lake in Africa killed over 1,000 people in a single night without making a sound? In 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon suddenly released a massive cloud of deadly carbon dioxide gas. The invisible killer crept through villages like a silent death sentence. People went to sleep normally, but never woke up. Survivors found their families, neighbors, even animals lying dead everywhere. The scariest part? Scientists say it could happen again at any moment, and there's almost no way to predict when this lake will strike next.